Today's Metcon is going to be for time, which means that whatever you do, your score is going to be the time you finish the tasks that we give you. We're going to have 2 tasks today, and it's going to be divided with a rest of 2 minutes in the middle between these 2 tasks. Your first task is going to be a descending ladder of clusters. It's going to be 15 clusters, 10 burpee tuck jumps, 12 clusters, 10 burpee tuck jumps, 9 clusters and 9 burpee tuck jumps, and we're going to give you a time cap of 7 minutes to complete it. After that, we will rest compulsory for 2 minutes, and then we'll start the second part of the workout, which will be 9 repetitions of devil's press followed by 40 DUs or 70 single skips, then 12 devil's press followed by 40 DUs, and then 15 devil's press followed by 40 DUs. Again, you have a time cap here of 7 minutes, so try and finish before that. The intended stimulus today is going to have 2 scores for the first couplet and for the second couplet. So the first couplet you will finish maybe in, let's say, about 6 minutes, so you're going to get 1 minute rest, after which you will compulsory have another 2 minutes of rest, and then you'll start the second couplet. Now the first couplet should take you about a minute to finish the 15 clusters, a minute to finish a 10 burpee tuck jumps, so on and so forth. So about 6 minutes you should be aiming for to finish the first couplet, and similarly another 3 minutes for the first exercise and 3 minutes for the second exercise to finish the second couplet. So let's take a look at the first exercise, which is going to be clusters. Now you know this is going to be a metabolically challenging exercise of movement because it's a complex of a squat clean followed by a thruster. So starting with the weight on the floor, you're going to grab your weight, jump up, bring the weight onto your shoulder, descend into a squat, and then give us a thruster by coming up with enough of momentum to drive the dumbbell up into an overhead position. Lock out the elbow for the rep to count. Your next exercise is going to be the burpee tuck jump. So you're going to descend into a burpee, touch your chest to the floor, jump forward, and when you finish the burpee, instead of doing the jump at the end, you're going to jump high and bring your knees as high as possible for the burpee tuck jump. Second couplet starts off with the devil's press. You're going to have the weight on the floor, place one hand on the dumbbell, jump back down into a burpee, touch your chest, leap forward, and once you're there, keeping your back straight, bring the weight up into an overhead position, and then do your next rep. After which you are going to be doing 40 double unders or 70 single skips. If you are good at skipping and finish this within a minute, it should be easy enough. Then only do skipping. If you aren't good at skipping and you don't have a skipping rope, instead we're going to be doing double taps. Just hop in place, make sure you tap the size of your thighs twice for every jump that you do. Any questions, any scaling options, please ask your coaches. Don't forget to upload your scores and have a great one, guys.